Okay. The Chao Phraya River, lifeblood of Bangkok. And we are going to conquer it. This ferry map looks complicated, but I've got it. We need the orange flag boat to Wat Arun. Don't worry, Mali. I'll handle the tickets.
แน่ใจเหรอเป็นคนเยอะนะแถวนั้นน่ะ
คนเยอะ คนเยอะ means lots of people / crowded. She's worried because it's crowded. Nonsense. It's all about confidence. Watch this. I'm just going to walk right up to this window here.
ว่าไงคะ
Okay. She said, what is it? Or, yes. Deep breath. I'm just going to point and use my best guess. Orange boat. Go Wat Arun. Please.
ไปวัดอรุณต้องไปท่าเรือ2ค่ะอันนี้เรือทัวริสต์ธงฟ้า
Whoa. That was fast. I heard Wat Arun and tourist. Did I mess up? I think I messed up. What did she say? Molly?
เธอบอกว่าถ้าจะไปวัดอรุณต้องไปท่าเรือที่2อันนี้สำหรับเรือท่องเที่ยวธงสีฟ้าเบนเธอทำเขางงไปหมดแล้ว
ท่าเรือ ท่าเรือ It means pier. Okay. She said I need to go to pier 2 for Wat Arun and that this counter is for the blue flag tourist boat. I was in the wrong line entirely. Help me out.
โอเคลองถามเขาดีๆว่าเรือลำไหนไปวัดอรุณครับ
Okay. She's giving me the first magic phrase. Let's break it down.
เรือลำไหนไปวัดอรุณครับเรือลำไหนไปวัดอรุณครับ
It means which boat goes to Wat Arun? Reuua is boat. Lamnai means which one? And bpai is to go. This is a total game changer. Here I go.
อ๋อเรือธงส้มค่ะไปรอที่ท่าเรือ2ได้เลยค่ะ
ธงส้มธงส้ม
It means orange flag. It worked. Her whole face changed. She said, oh, the orange flag boat. You can wait at pier 2. See? Progress. Now, how do I buy the ticket here?
ถามยืนยันก่อนสิว่าที่นี่ขายตั๋วไปวัดอรุณใช่ไหม
Good point. Molly says I should confirm first. So, a confirmation question.
ไปวัดอรุณใช่ไหมครับไปวัดอรุณใช่ไหมครับ
It means it goes to Wat Arun, right? This chai mai at the end is super useful. It turns a statement into a yes-no question. Like adding, right? In English. Okay. Asking now.
ใช่ค่ะซื้อตั๋วที่นี่ได้เลยค่ะ
She said yes. You can buy the ticket right here. I am a communication genius. Okay. Final step. I need 2 tickets.
ง่ายๆเลยตั๋ว2ใบครับ
Okay. She said it's easy. Here's the last phrase you'll need.
ตั๋ว2ใบครับตั๋ว2ใบครับ
It means 2 tickets. Please. dtŭua is ticket. Song is 2. And bpai is the classifier for tickets. Classifiers are tricky. But for tickets, it's bpai. Let's do it.
32 บาทค่ะนี่ค่ะขอให้เดินทางโดยสวัสดิภาพนะคะ
32 baht. And she wished us a safe trip. We got the tickets. We did it. From total chaos to a friendly smile. That's a win.
เก่งมากเบนตอนแรกเธอดูงงมากเลยนะ
She said I did a good job, but that at first I looked really ngong. This is a great word. It means confused, like your brain is buffering. It's informal, but you hear it all the time.
ไปกันเถอะเดี๋ยวเรือออก
She's right. We gotta go before the boat leaves. I wasn't ngong, by the way. I was assessing the situation. Totally different. Right. Let's get on.